What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. Y'all, there are new Teeny Tinies at Five Below. You know, pocket-friendly minis that come in playsets with 20 pieces for $5. Scale does vary, but many of the food items work for our 1/6 scale world. Some are painted better than others. But if you're feeling crafty, you can always add your own details to make them how you want. Let's go to the store and see what we can find. I went to my local Five Below in search of new minis. And yeah, my store has new Teeny Tinies. I'm seeing Spa Day, Veggie Garden, Flower Wagon, and a hot dog cart. The cart looks a little small for our 1/6 scale world, but the hot dogs look like they will totally work. The Veggie Garden looks like a good size, so let's grab a few and head back to the studio. And we're back. When I was walking to the register, I found these mini clay kits. Priced at $5, it says mold and create, make your own mini popcorn. And y'all, the popcorn maker looks a lot like a Barbie one that came out a few years back. On the back, you can see all items included. Caution, this product is intended for external use only and should not be ingested. If ingested, seek medical attention right away. Wash skin with soap and water after each use to remove any accidental contamination. Y'all, honestly, I always get a little terrified when I read the fine print. Here are the bags of clay. It looks like we have some instructions. Looks like the clay needs to be baked in order to cure it. So I'm probably gonna just go with air dry clay. We get a few paper accessories, including 2 paper popcorn buckets that look like a great size for a Barbie. Just fold the little tabs at the bottom to put it together. And the dolls have a large popcorn for the movies. Now let's check out the popcorn machine. The top opens and there's little molds inside for the popcorn. We can remove the top and push the lever to make the popcorn pop. And we get a sculpting tool. I have white and yellow air dry clay. Let's take small pieces and mix them together just a little. Open the popcorn maker, take a little piece of air dry clay, place it in the mold, close the top and push down. And when we lift it, we have popcorn. Use the tool to carefully remove it from the mold, smooth out those rough edges, then allow them to air dry. There was also a pretzel kit. We get a pretzel display that spins. It has clear plastic on 3 of the sides and is open in the back. We get paper pretzel pockets. They were taped into the packaging, so be careful when unboxing. But the popcorn and the pretzels? This is such a cute vibe! There's no mold for the pretzels, you have to make them by hand. But there are instructions on how to make the pretzel. We can make pretzel sticks and twist, and pretzel bites. All I have is white and yellow air dry clay, so let's just mix them together to make a pale yellow. Then take a small piece, roll it out. I am working on a plastic surface. Then just loop one side over, then loop the other side over. Oh, look at that! We did it! I let everything dry overnight, so it's no longer sticky and holding its shape. The popcorn is large for our 1/6 scale world, but it looks like a good size for smart dolls. If we put the popcorn in the popcorn bucket, then we might still be able to use it in photos with a Barbie. Here it is in the popcorn machine, and if we push the lever, it pops. Our pretzels are a little pale, so let's take some chalk pastels and brown them a little. Well, maybe more than just a little. I want them to be a nice golden brown. Brush it with Mod Podge to seal it and add shine. While the glue is still wet, I sprinkle on some white sand, then put them in the display and allow them to finish drying. Between the 2 play sets, I like the pretzels the best. We can make them doll-sized, the sleeves are cute, and it allows us to display and store the pretzels. It comes with 2 useful printables, and the little spinning action is pretty cool. Now let's take a look at those Teeny Tinies. First up, we have Spa Day, which has 20 pieces, priced at $5. All the items included are listed on the back. However, the pictures vary a little from the actual product. and scale varies. In this set, we get a brown shelving unit. The box says it's supposed to be bamboo. It has a vanity on the side with a working drawer. There's a reflective mirror, and it's definitely under scale for a Barbie, but might work with a Chelsea-sized doll, a Barbie Extra Mini, a Hey Bestie, and other dolls and figures of a similar size like Peach Riot. This figure stands around 5 inches tall. We also get a eucalyptus plant. Totally looks like a Barbie accessory. We get a plastic wood basket, spa slippers that are just for show. There's supposed to be a plastic set of towels. See, right there. I went back and checked my footage, and yeah, they're missing. But I did pick up a second set, so here they are. It is sculpted plastic for shelf clutter. There's a cucumber mask with a sticker on the front and the back. There's even a hole at the top so we can hang it. We can put that in the basket. There are 2 cucumber slices that can fit on the dolls. There's a large jade roller. Here it is with a Barbie. Here's a plastic stack of gel eye mask. Looks like a good size to be clutter in the dollhouse. There's a gua sha, a small brush, a super small headband. Looks too small for Chelsea, but it's a good size for my mini baby. There's a lotus flower, a jar of green tea face serum. You might have to fix the sticker, but if you can straighten it out, it doesn't look half bad. There's a tiny bottle of lotion, a bottle of nail polish. It looks like a good size for a Barbie. A bottle of essential oils. Again, we might have to straighten the sticker, but once you do, that's a fun detail. We have a lavender candle and a salt lamp. I think most of the accessories could be used in our 1/6 scale world. I would say 16 of the 20 pieces, so not bad for $5. But if smaller dolls are your vibe, I found this teeny bathroom with 15 pieces for $5. We get a whole bathroom playset with a sink and a faucet, a reflective mirror. There's a shelf above it, a small shelf below it, a working drawer, cabinets. There's a toilet, another cabinet with more shelves. There's a small shower area with a shower head and more shelves. The back is solid, and it looks like these 2 pieces could coexist in the same world. We get another set of folded towels. These are slightly different. Another eucalyptus plant, also different, but this one fits on a peg on the top shelf, which is pretty useful. But I do like the leaves on this one better. We get a mirror that actually turns. Shampoo and conditioner, a loofah that can hang in the shower. We get another hairbrush, a toothbrush cup. This is pretty small. A bar of soap on a dish, another face serum, a bottle of hand soap, lotion, a tube of body wash. Here it is with the dolls, and we have a tiny bottle of cologne. Again, we can use many of the accessories with Barbie and the play sets with smaller dolls that are around 5 to 6 inches, like Peach Riot. Yes, I got some more. I just started my Punk Fairy collection. These are from Pop Mart. They are a surprise box featuring 3 main characters, where we can find them in different poses and different outfits, with 12 common figures and 1 secret. I'm hoping for Frankie Moonrise. These are $20 a box, so hopefully we can get the one we want today. And this is Poppy, and she is on a giant acorn. Yep, Poppy Acorn. Well, I guess she can sit at the vanity, but it does sit a little low. Now let's check out a few more playsets. I changed the backdrop for the teeny hot dog cart. This one has 15 pieces for $5. We get a red hot dog cart with wheels that turn. There's a sticker on the front and on the top. There's lots of shelving, and all the little doors work. That's a little compartment there, and cabinets, and a drawer on the back. We have hot dogs with printed mustard and ketchup, plain hot dogs and a bun. We have 2 of those. We have ketchup and mustard bottles, which look like a great size for the dolls, a jar of relish, a carton of fries, a paper basket, a small drink, so we can make a to-go meal. We have tongs and a to-go bag. The bag is pretty sturdy, and the food items totally work with the dolls. If you want to use the playset with mini dolls, Then Little Cousins by Naturalistas might work. There are 3 different dolls. I think I paid $7.99. This is Koi, who has long curly hair, the basic 5 points of articulation, gold-colored Naturalistas earrings that are removable. She has fabric fashion with printed details. Comes wearing boots that are also removable. And yeah, she looks like a good size for this playset. Speaking of playsets, let's take a look at Teeny Tinies Teeny Flower Wagon with squeezy sand, which just looks like 2 bags of sand. Yeah, that's just gonna make a mess. But if you're feeling crafty, you could probably mix it with glue and then apply it to your mini plants. In this playset, we also get a flower wagon. The wheels really spin, and there are planting spaces at the top. We have a flower sign letting you know the prices of the different flowers. There's a watering can. It's a little difficult for a Barbie to hold, but doable. But it works pretty good with some mini dolls. We get 3 planter pots. I like the colors. There's a hanging plant. Just needs somewhere to hang it. There's a small bouquet with different flowers that have different painted details. There's a small shovel, tulips, and lavender, and they don't look too bad. There's a sunflower and lilies, a hydrangea and pink roses. I think all the flowers work with the dolls, and there are so many different ones like daisies, roses, and irises. If you want to use the sand or kinetic sand, then you can plant them in the pots. They're pretty much a budget-friendly alternative to mini brands and Make It Mini. And with a little paint, you can probably bring out some more details. And last but not least, we have the Veggie garden with 20 pieces, like a plastic crate, a block of soil that goes in the crate. We get a plant that we can attach tomatoes to, then place it in the soil, and it looks like they're growing. We can switch out the tomatoes for bell peppers, so the dolls can grow different things. We get an individual pot, a shovel, seeds, garden clippers, another watering can. This one is easy for a Barbie to hold. We get broccoli, cauliflower, lettuce, 2 carrots, a red onion, a small pot of basil, and a little garden marker. This could totally be a little garden for the dolls, like on their patio. It kind of reminds me of the Barbie World Grow a Garden playset. I paid $10 for this one a while back. We still get a little planter box with soil, a vine that we can attach tomatoes or strawberries to. So they're pretty similar right there. The Barbie playset also has carrots that we can plant in the soil. We get berries that we can also attach to the vine or place in the included basket. We get a watering can, a shovel, and a rabbit. So yeah, the dolls have a lot of options for their gardens. It definitely looks like Teeny Tinies are upping their game and giving us more minis for the dollhouse. I think we got a few fun finds at Five Below today. I love the pretzels. Even though we didn't use the kit as intended, I think we got some realistic minis for the dolls. But let us know what you think in the comments down below. Are these Five Below minis a buy or a pass? Thank you for joining us while we checked out a few things from Five Below and spent time with our mini dolls. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram and YouTube at MyFroggyStuff and Bella of MyFroggyStuff on Instagram. And we will see you next time. Bye!